Paco Taco Truck, Tracy, California, 11th Street. You gotta check my man out. He been here for a little while, but I've known him since La Costa when he used to work there and cook there. Food is off the hook. Check his truck out. Christ 17 TV. We're gonna be right back at you with the review. Only on Christ 17 TV, we trying to taco taste test from El Paco. That's the cabeza. Look at that. Open it up. Ooh, yeah.
This beef head?
Yep.
Beef head taco.
It's your first time, huh?
No, I'm pretty sure I had this before.
Okay.
Real tender.
How's the flavor?
Really good. The beef's like real tender, like chewy almost.
Yeah.
It's that good old head.
Cabeza.
We got that.
We got the birria meat and a regular taco. Finish chewing the other one first. So you get
the chewy.
Yeah.
Wash it down so my mouth dry.
Yeah?
Yeah, that one come on there. That one got a lot more flavor.
Okay.
This is what, just the asada? What was it?
Birria.
Oh, birria. Oh, that's why. Yeah, the birria tacos got way more flavor.
Because it's like
You see?
stewed meat.
It's all dripping out.
Yep.
Oh, yeah.
That's him?
This is shitting on the first one.
Okay.
Flavor-wise.
Okay. So,
Alright,
chicken.
oh, man.
So we got the chicken one now. Yeah?
Man, that was good.
I see it's all over your hands, all the juice.
This one might be better than the
Yeah?
dirty taco, yeah.
Okay.
Chicken got a lot of flavor.
I
Ooh,
see.
It's falling out the thing.
Bumble. You got a napkin in here? Here.
That's the one right there.
Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Tell me in order.
I would say chicken, birria, and then cabeza.
Okay, and
Best.
from 1 to 10 now.
I give the first one maybe like a 5.
Okay.
This birria maybe like a 7. The chicken like a 8.5.
Okay, all right. My turn now. Only on Christ 17 is my turn. So let's try with the one, he says the 5, which is the cabeza. I like this kind of meat, so we're gonna see. It is chewy though. Yeah. Yeah. It's really chewy. Yeah. And the flavor, it's alright. Yeah.
but it's really chewy though.
Yeah. To the point where I was like, okay, I can't just sit here and chew on this for too long. All right. Yeah, you gotta wash that one down.
A mess up? Not really. Get the little lime on it. Birria one.
Birria, let's see what that do. Ooh.
Oh yeah. Now this dip is vegetable flavor. This, he's right, way better than the first one.
Yeah.
Juicy too, real juicy.
Yeah. You can tell that one goes down easier.
Yeah.
Yeah. That shit's going to like 3 seconds.
Okay.
All right, the last one.
Chicken taco now. Food review.
So far.
So far, this, the head is,
Cabeza.
the birria is really good, and he said the chicken
It's probably the best one. Yeah. What'd you get?
Chicken burrito.
Oh, okay, the burrito. Nice, nice.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Chicken taco. Man,
That's good?
the best one.
Yeah, best one?
Hell yeah.
Out of 10, what would you give out of 10?
I give it an 8.7.
8.7? Okay, cool.
I give it 7.2, 5.2.
7.2, 5.2, you hear it here on Christ 17 TV.
So if you come into El Paco taco truck, get the chicken and get the birria. And this chicken here, super flavorful. This is Christ 17 TV, and we will be taking you on different taco trucks to see which is the best taco truck around. El Paco's is nice. I know the guy. He's a great guy. Support him if you're around here in Tracy, 11th Street, going towards the freeway. That's my guy. The chicken taco, you cannot lose on the chicken one. See you on the next review. Catch you on the flip side, player.